host, Short Me Tina, once again from shortmetina.com, doing a quick video recap for ticker UAA Under Armour. Right now, what you're looking at is a daily chart dating back to March of 2017, so it's a little over a year. I did a video recap, or I've done several video recaps on ticker UAA because I'm rather bullish on it. And despite this minor, I'm going to call it a minor pullback for these past 3 days, I still remain bullish on Under Armour. So dating back to about August, what looks like what looks to be forming, or what has already formed in my opinion, is an inverted head and shoulder. We can call this the left shoulder right here, head, right shoulder. And this typically tends to be a rather bullish chart pattern, right? So full disclosure, we actually got into this trade within our premium member community. We got in at around, with a buy zone of around 15 to 16. So we got in, several points ago, about 5 to 6 points ago. Locked in initial profits when the stock got around, I want to say 18. And I did indicate to my subscribers, well, you can lock in the 9 to 10% profit, or if you want, you can hold out for that gap fill at 22 to 24, which I think is right around the corner up here. Now, we broke out of this resistance zone around $18, shot up, huge red candle, right? Went as high as 2055, I believe. Actually, I think it's 2061. So on May 15, we went as high as $20.61, and we pulled back slightly. The fact that we're sitting here at $20.11 says to me the pullback wasn't that major. In fact, it looks like there's a short-term bull flag setting up. So what I would pay attention to is any break above that previous high of $20.61. If we can get above, let's say 21, if we can get above 21 and hold, I think, rather not this. Let's rewind. So the gap fill here, I stated in error. The gap fill here is around $28, and I still think that's a possibility. But in the shorter term time frame, I'm looking at a $22 to $24 print. So anything above 21 that holds, I think we'll see 22 to 24 shortly. If that can hold, we can consolidate, meaning trade sideways for a bit above that 24 level. I think 28 is a real possibility. So long term, if things continue to roll out the way they do fundamentally, I see Under Armour with a 28 print, I would say in 2018, perhaps early 2019. But shorter term goals, I see definitely 22 to 24 on the horizon. So if you're debating getting in here at $20.11, I mean, obviously I'm no financial advisor, so you'd have to make that decision on your own. However, I still think despite this this move here that happened a couple of days ago, despite this long red candle, I still think there's more room for Under Armour, right? I think right now, after this massive decline that lasts, so again, after this massive decline that started around, what year is that? I think 2015. Yeah, since they peaked around 2015, we've had a straight decline for about almost 3 years now. And I think that Under Armour is actually ready to turn around. So again, to reiterate, shorter term goal, 22 to 24 with good momentum. I think that the gap can definitely be filled here at around 28. So that's about a good 8 points from here. So that's some upside. So that's my take. So definitely put Under Armour on your watch list. That's my take. Short Me Tina from shortmetina.com. Head on over to shortmetina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, thank you for the support.